doon pa lang po sa katas muna po. Wala pong ginawa dito ang LGU o DENR para po sawayin sila doon?
Actually, sir, in 2024, may community tayo beside the area kasi this is between two LGUs, Cebu City at saka the municipality of Consolacion. And they were complaining about their source of water. And then through the sisinro namin, so and the disaster, we conducted an investigation and we get some samples, sir. We get some samples of the water there in Barangay Puloyapoy and then also in Barangay in Binalio. And then when we went to DNR, EMB, para mag-testing, sir, and they told us that it took around 4 months kasi padala pa diyan sa Manila. So what I did, sir, dito sa University of San Carlos Laboratories, I spent my own money and had it tested.
Ano po result, sir?
Failed.
Ano result?
They failed, sir.
Okay,
They
sige.
failed,
So
sir.
they failed. Ano po? So klaro
They
po.
failed.
Klaro,
Yeah.
naanay violation, konsehal.
There's a violation
Okay,
already.
sige. So klaro po.
And then,
So
yeah,
let's
and we
abbreviate
submitted
the
that
sorry sir
yeah.
konsehal, let's abbreviate the interview for lack of material time. So klaro po na naay violation, di ba?
Yes,
Klaro,
sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
So nag-notice ho ba ng violation? Sino ba ang dapat mag-issue diyan? Yung City Environmental Officer, sino ho ba?
Yung Environmental Management Board, yung sa DNR, sir.
Okay, sige. So nag-issue po
Because
ng notice.
everything, yung findings namin has to go to DNR,
Okay,
EMB.
opo. Pero ito pong Code Green Philippines, ito lang November, no? Just a couple of months ago, nagsabi na continuing po yung violation pero hindi pinahihinto yung operasyon po ng landfill. Whose call is that?
Well, sir, the EMB is the one monitoring everything here. Kami dito sa city, sir, when we have also to face reality, wala kaming ibang matatambakan ng basura. This is the lone
Landfill.
final destination ng basura namin.
Okay, opo.
Well, I proposed a waste to energy facility. This was like few years ago until now, and then somehow the people are not
Sige, so short of saying, dahil sa kawalan ninyo ng pagtatapunan ng basura, kahit na lumalabag itong operator ng landfill na ito, tuloy pa rin.
Well, we send notices to the operator, yung Prime Waste, and then may ginawa naman sila. They try to make amends and also try to rectify what was been wrong. And then yun nga, then there's constant complaint about smell, and then they sabi nila pag umuwan yun talaga.
Opo, okay.
So
Sige.
talagang yung baho talagang
Sige
ganyan.
po. Okay, sige.
And
So
then
continuing yung violation, konsehal.
Yes.
Mga kapatid, brothers and sisters, saan ka pa? Dito na tayo sa totoo. Dito na tayo sa True FM.
Mga kapatid, mag-subscribe and follow po kayo sa social media accounts ng True Network PH. Yan po kami. Hanapin nyo lang True Network PH, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and podcast. Mapa Apple or Spotify man yan, mahahanap nyo kami. Lahat ng mga napapanood at napapakinggan nyo po sa programa, nasa social media accounts namin yan. So, paano mga kapatid? See you sa social media!